Hey, hello friends. Welcome back to the channel. So friends, in today's session, I am going to show you how to install Tomcat on your Linux operating system in RHEL 9. And if you're willing to know how to install Tomcat on Ubuntu, please let me know in the comments as well. Because why I am making this session, there have been comments are coming that sir, please make a video on how to install Tomcat and on RHEL 9. So here I am, my friend. So in today's session, we are going to see the step-by-step process how we can install Tomcat on RHEL 9. But friends, if you're new to this channel, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe the channel and press the bell icon for the latest notification. So let's get started and let's start the session, my friends. As you can see that I have already logged into the AWS console dashboard, and from there I have logged into the EC2 dashboard, and from there I am going to launch an instance from here, and here I'm going to name this server as a Tomcat. Okay, Tomcat server, right? And here I'm going to take it as a Red Hat, since the comments are coming for the Red Hat. So this is why I'm making it. I'm going to install it on Red Hat, my friend. And you can see it's clearly RHEL 9, right? And please make sure it should be free tier if you are using a free account over here. And rest all just let it be T2 micro. That's fine. It's up to you. The key pair, I'm going to use the same key pair what I have created before. In many of my video, you can see this one. You'll get an idea in AWS 300 plus interview question and answer. There you can get an idea how to generate this key pair. And if you don't know also, don't worry about this one, my friend. Soon I'm going to uh, show everything in that AWS coming series, where I'll be taking you through from the beginning to the expert level, my friend. Okay. So yeah, the network point of view, let it be like this only. Create a security group. I'm going to create a security group. uh, Allow all HTTP. Okay, here I'm going to select this one because we'll be connecting through the public IP, and allow HTTPS from the internet. You can select, it's totally up to you. And USSH, you can do it from anywhere. Okay, it's totally up to you. So both I have allow over here. Rest all configuration is as it is. I'll keep it as a, and number of instance will be one. Let's launch this instance, my friend. Okay. So I have launched the instance. Let me see. See, the instance is still running, and you can see that still it's showing in pending state. So it's gonna take time a little bit. So friends, as you can see that now the instance is in running state. In AWS, the instance will launch very faster. Okay, and this is the public IP. And in as I said clearly, if you want to connect this instance through the SSH, then which user you are going to use, that you can get it from here. If you click on connect, so you can get the user from here. You can change this username also. It's totally up to you. Okay, fine. Let's come here, and you can see the other two instances are stopped. Okay, please make sure you will click on this one only. Anyways, once you turn on a instance, then only you will get a public IP for this one to connect with. Okay, so I'm going to take this IP, and I am going to my mobile extern. Right, I'm going to open a new session. SSH, just give this IP, specify a username, that is ec2 hyphen user, right? And then I'm going to advanced setting, and from here I'm going to use the private key, my friend. Okay, and this private key name is Mumbai, correct? You can see I have already downloaded this one, and I'm going to connect to this server. I'm just need to accept this one. I have connected to the server. Let me increase the font so it will be easy for you to understand, right? So let me clear this out. Now I'm going to switch it to the root user, my friend. Okay. So if you do a who am I, you can see that I have switched it to root user by using sudo hyphen I command. And if just for you guys only, what version it is, so cat slash etc to check a version of a Red Hat release. So you can see it's 9.3. Correct, it's clearly 9.3, my friend. Okay, let's clear this out. Okay, So once you have cleared this out, the next step will be always remember you should update your repository. Okay. So because in RHEL we use DNF command also, you can use yum command also. So yum clean all to clear all cache and all. Okay. You can do yum clean all. Okay. So it's going to clear all the cache. There is nothing. And now finally, what you need to do, my friend, you need to update, you need to run the command called yum update, correct? And hyphen y also you can give, it's totally up to you. So you can see it's updating, so it's gonna take time. So I'll pause the video for some time and then we'll come back. So friends, as you can see here clearly that the process is completed successfully. Let's clear it out. Now the commands we need to execute. There are some set of commands which we need to execute. You can see I have created a list of command. Don't worry, this command I'm going to put in the description so you can directly execute it from your end. Okay. The first step, what you need to do is you need to install the JDK package, my friend. Okay. So let's install JDK. Okay, so how we are going to install the JDK? So for that you need to take this one, okay, and come here and just do a yum install, right, and give this, right, and you can give a star also like this, yum install Java 11 Open JDK. I'm going to install over here. So you can see it's available now, 11, right, and just do a yes. So it's going to install the Open JDK first, my friend. So you can see the process is completed successfully. So friends, if you want to know whether it's installed or not, so for that what we need to run Java hyphen hyphen version, right? This is the command. So you can see clearly it is installed now, right? That is Open JDK, right? It's there clearly. You can see, right? So what is your next step? So the next step is you need to add the Tomcat user, my friend. Okay. So friend, you have seen in many of my video, right? I have explained you how to add a user, okay? And in the user and group management also there is a dedicated topic. You can go ahead and you can check that one. So you will come to know if you want to learn more about the user and group management, my friend. So here you can see I'm just adding the Tomcat user over here. And as soon as I have done this one, you can check also cat slash etc and passwd is the file, right? Pass wd is the file, right? And just here grep tomcat, correct? So you can see the tomcat is created with default shell bin false, okay, and its uid gid is this one, and its default directory will be not home, it's opt, correct? So I have changed that its default directory, if you have seen from here, correct? Right. So now we have created the tomcat user. What else you need to do after this one? So the next step will be, so friends, here you can see the next command which we need to execute is wget command, and you need to download the Apache Tomcat package, correct? So for that, you can go to the official website of Tomcat. Here you can see, don't go anywhere, don't download anything. You need to copy this star.gz is there, right? So just right click, just click on copy link address, okay? And just go to your notepad plus plus, and you can see here clearly I have downloaded the same package which I have mentioned over here, my friend. Okay, so friends, just take this command and go to your where, to your tomcat server, okay, and there, okay, you need to run this one. Let's see what happened. So you can see it's telling command not found. The reason why, because wget will not be installed by default, remember. So you need to install the wget yum install, and you need to install wget, my friend, and hyphen why I'm giving, because it should not ask me, it should not prompt me, it will be directly going to install. So it's going to install the wget command first of all. Now see, wget is installed, and as soon as I run the command wget and all, it's going to download. This is how we troubleshoot in your production environment as well. It's a troubleshooting step for you. Now, Okay, just do a LL over here. Here you can see clearly the Tomcat package is downloaded. What is the next step we need to do? You need to untar this one, my friend. So to untar this one, you need to use the command this one, my friend. Correct? So let's run the command called. Correct. Let's clear this out. Right. I'm doing LL to show you what is the package over there. So you can see the package is same. Just enter. So friends, file is already untar. Okay. And you will ask me, Abhishek, if I run, see, if I run cd temp, okay, and if I do LL, so why I'm not able to see the untar file over here? So you guys are wrong. This is why you don't read the command carefully. So what I have done here is I have untar the file, at the same time I have copied that one into OPT Tomcat. You have clearly see from here, right? You can see this one. So just go to this path. Okay, if you go to this path and just do LL, you can see here your untar file is here. You guys are understanding my point? Right? So I am not untarring in the same directory. I am untarring it and I am copying it into opt tomcat, my friend. Okay, so let's move on to the next command. The next command is ln-s. What ln-s will do, it's going to create a shortcut link from this, and it's going to point out to this directory, my friend. Okay, so let's create a shortcut link. I am going to run this command ln. There is something called soft link and there is something called hard link that is also there in my Linux 100 plus interview question and answer, and in my Linux corporate Linux beginner to expert level tutorial as well. You can go both the places, it's available there, my friend. Okay, right? So as soon as I have run this one, okay, so it's, so your soft linking is done. Okay, now the next thing what you need to do is you need to give a permission. What? Ownership permission. To whom? To the tomcat. Okay, you need to give this directory. See, if you give, I'll explain, I'll show you everything. Let me execute this one, what this command is doing over here. So if you run the ch own command, see, ownership means what? Let me execute this one, then you will be better understanding, my friend. Okay, so let's go to OPT, okay? Or if directly if you do LL and you do this one, right? Just see this one. Now you will be able to understand from here. Now the ownership of this directory is belongs to Tomcat user. So this is what I have done it over here. R means recursively I have doing, and for which directory I am doing it, for the this directory, and by the ownership I am giving to Tomcat user. This is the ownership. This is has nothing to do with the permission. So don't get confused. And you should ask me, Abhishek, then OPT Tomcat updated. I have created a soft link. You can see this is what the soft link is. Soft link is nothing but, if you want to understand, that is something called shortcut file. Okay, if your shortcut file will be there, but still your main file will be saved, then you can recover your data, my friend. Okay, it's just pointing to the, so the actual file will be where, the actual file will be in opt tomcat apache tomcat. And if you do see, I did ln-s means I have created a soft link. How you I have identified it's a soft link, you can see from the starting it's given as a L over here. So this is a soft link. Okay, and it's pointing to its main directory, that is its opt tomcat apache tomcat, my friend. You guys are understanding my point? Okay, so let's move on to the next command, my friend. And the next command is you need to give a executable permission to few of the script under bin. Okay, so let's copy this one and I am going to execute sh means what? Shell. Okay, and I am giving a x plus x means executable permission to where, to whatever the .sh file will be there inside your bin. It's going to give its what permission, it's going to give its execute permission. Now you will understand where I'm telling exactly. Just put this one, okay, here. Now try to understand. And from opt tomcat and updated, correct? Opt tomcat updated, correct? And from here just give a bin, right? And just do a ll. You can see there are some .sh files are here. So I have given execute permission to all this .sh file, which is where the extension is .sh. For all the files I have given execute permission, my friend, right? You guys are understanding my point, my friend? Okay. So let's move on to the next command, my friend. Here you need to add some data inside slash etc system d system tomcat.service. Okay. So before starting your tomcat service, you need to set its home, means its environment variables and all, you need to set it. Okay, what will be the home path will be there, right? So those things you need to mention from here. So for that I am going to clear this one. I am going to put a vi, and in this file I am going to put an entry of this entire value. Okay, and just see here, you will be able to understand what is the home path, default home path of Java home user, Java home. So it's I'm giving the same, correct? So these values you need to give from where it's going to start and stop. So all the values you need to specify here, and then you need to do a write and quit, my friend, and just clear this out. And the next command is very simple and easy. You need to reload the daemon. Okay, first you need to, daemon is what, it's a background process. Okay, enter. So the daemon is reloaded now, and now you need to run the systemctl start tomcat. Before that I'll show you what is there, right? So here you can see status. If I run this command, you can see it's disabled, my friend. And now I am going to start, right? So it started. How I come to know it is started or not? So you just run the command called status, and now you can see your tomcat is running. And even though you can confirm with the command called ps-ef5 grep and java, if you do, or even if you do tomcat, my friend, okay, it's going to show you your tomcat is running successfully. But I have to verify it from the internet also. Then in that case, so here you will be able to find out your security. Just click on this security. Just go to this security group. Here in actions, you need to click on this one. Click on inbound. Okay. And here you can see I have made some changes. This alteration, whatever the previous value it's there, it's not going to allow you. So in that case, what you need to do is just select all traffic as of now to run this one. Okay, and the source will be fine. Here you need to select from anywhere. Okay, you can select from anywhere like this. And 00 means it's going to allow from anywhere. Okay, and just click on save. Okay, so your changes have been saved. Now where you need to go, you need to go to the EC2 instance. Click on this instance, take this Tomcat server, take the IP of this server, and go here. Just do a HTTP colon slash slash. Don't use HTTPS, okay? Because this is a local host, and just give this IP and colon 8080, okay? So you can see we are successfully able to run your Tomcat just now, which we have installed, my friend, right? And if you want to know that how to install the same Tomcat on your Ubuntu, then please do more and more comments. So I'll make a video for that as well, my friend. And right from here, you can create your users also, my friend, and where you can see your Tomcat port. So this also one interview question they used to ask. So you can see clearly. So just clear this out, my friend. And if you do PWD, you can see there is a path called OPT Tomcat updated conf. Just go here, just do a LL. Here there is something called server.xml file will be there. If you do a VI of this file, you will come to know. Just do a connector, just type connector. So you can see clearly, just do an here. You can see it's mentioned clearly, it's uncommented. 8080 is your connector port. If you want to know more, if you want to see properly this one, instead of vi, just use vim. Okay, vim is not installed. Let's install vim. Okay, vim hyphen y, right? So It is installed now, my friend. Okay, now let's see same. So now you will be able to see in a interactive way, more colorful way, right? So here you can see clearly, right, the connector port. You will be able to see it's in 8080. Normally the default will be 8080, so that you can change, restart your Tomcat, and you can see that you will be able to connect on 8090. For example, I am telling you, if I'll go for you only, I'm just showing you, just do a 8090, right? Or you can make it as a, it's totally up to you, 8010, right? And write and quit. Done. So what we need to do is system ctl, what, restart. What you need to restart? Just now we have executed this one, my friend. You can see here Tomcat, right? So don't forget this one. Okay, restart Tomcat. Correct? It is restarted now, right? Now you go here, instead of 8080, you just first run this one, whether it's giving you the output or not. Just see, nothing is coming. Now, because since I have changed the port, so I have given 8010, so you can clearly see it's running on 8010. So friends, I'm ending up the session here only. Thank you for watching this video. For more videos like this, please do subscribe to my channel, and please don't forget to press the bell icon for the latest notification. Please do take care of your loved ones. Till then, Jai Hind and bye bye, my friend.